Hello there everybody, Richard R. Blaster. As you can see, I'm back on this channel, and if you've noticed up above or somewhere around here, the channel name has changed. Hopefully that year won't change again. So as the title of the channel says, RWA Trainee Electrician 2023. I'll stop pointing, so I thought I'd start resurrecting this channel again in anticipation of training next year, as you probably noticed from my goodbye video, which was done, well, it says a year ago. I think it's going to be more than that now. I thought, I don't know whether I was going to come back, but I'm back. So don't forget to comment on this video welcoming me back to this channel, or you can just slag me off or do whatever you please. Don't forget to smash that bell icon and select all to be notified every time I upload a new video. Well, you know, the little subscription thingy. So welcome back everyone. I'll actually be posting a video soon, so watch this space.